Hi, my name's Paul Lamberton. I'm the Dean of the College of Engineering and Technology at Grand Canyon University. Did you ever want to know how things work? We can help you understand all of the aspects that surround the ecosystem of engineering and technology. But why are we different? We focus in on our Christian worldview. Did you know that character matters? It does. It matters all the time. Character in engineering, character in technology. These are really important pieces that make a whole engineer, a whole technologist valuable out into the real world. Come join us. Let us teach you a few things. Welcome to the college. Welcome to our Aeronautical Engineering Lab. One of the things that you see here is our Flowtech 1440, and this is basically a research-grade wind tunnel. How does it work? We test all sorts of shapes, whether it's a wing, whether it's a car, whether it's a building. They're all things that interact with aerodynamic forces, and this gives us a way to model those interactions. So, once again, one of the great tools that we have in our College of Engineering and Technology to help you find your purpose.
As a GCU engineering student, I definitely found my place here at the GCU engineering shops. I loved it so much I started working here. It offers a bunch of different tools and variety of things that you can learn. Being able to come down here day one and learn those specific activities and get that skill set was super beneficial for me. Although I'm in school most of the time, I'm also getting guidance of where I can go after these classes are over and how to kind of push through life with these skills that I've gained through GCU.
This is the Power Lab, where students learn how power actually works in the real world. So in this lab, we have everything from power generation like solar panels to transformers and power lines, as well as load cells that can replicate the resistance of a motor or a house or even a whole section of the power grid, depending on how you hook them up. It's very important for power systems and power companies to make sure that the loads of the houses and the industry that they are providing for are balanced. That's what this lab is meant to teach.
So this room is the main engineering shop here at Grand Canyon University. This is where a lot of the capstone students finalize their projects and a lot of cool projects start and end. The engineering shops are open to every student here at GCU, whether you're an engineering student or a business student or a fine arts student. Any student can come down here, play with the machines, learn stuff, and that includes freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, all the above.
I'm from Switzerland. I'm an international student here. I learned carpentry by trade before I came here. I married an American who got a job at GCU, and so we moved here to Arizona, and that was the opportunity for me to study. So this is the wood shop. It's basically used for any preparation of wood. We have different wood machines, bigger ones and smaller ones. The shop staff is very friendly, very helpful. They will always do anything to figure out how you can create.
LaBelle Labs is all about student learning. We do research, sponsored projects with grants. We have grants for scholarships, but we also do a lot of just projects with students.
So LaBelle Labs is great for getting students engaged in things that you don't necessarily think of when you think of engineering, such as casting and blacksmithing, board game design, stuff like that.
It's a chance for students to basically get a look at what capstone is going to be like for their senior year, but right now they're all sophomores. So it's a little bit of project management, a little bit of business, lots of hands-on.
SWE is an international organization, and we at GCU have our own little section. We work really hard on your hard skills and your soft skills. So that can look like resume building, elevator pitch workshops, as well as welding, woodworking, laser engraving, you name it. And we've got all of these different engineering clubs like SWE, Canyon Motorsports, IEEE, robotics, so much more. Their whole focus is getting people in the shops, getting them to learn new things. I feel very honored to be at a school where there's so many awesome hands-on opportunities.
This is the blacksmithing club. In class, we learned about material science and what is hardening, how to harden, but here you get practical experience. I love GCU for a lot of reasons. I really liked that when I came here, I was not just a number. Here at GCU, I know my professors, they know me. 2 days before I moved into campus, I started working in the shops, learning how to weld, learning how to machine, and that's been influential in my career. GCU is great at getting you plugged in and affording you the opportunities that are there if you want to take them. I was able to find my church family here, get connected with the church, and find people that are of like-minded, even in the engineering field, where it can be pretty secular overall. So it's great to have that facility given. I found my purpose through engineering and through the opportunities I was afforded in learning hands-on stuff such as blacksmithing, getting exposed to things that I wouldn't have been exposed to had I not come to GCU.
So we got an actual Cessna airframe donated to us, and what we're trying to do with that is that we're not trying to make it fully legal like an FDA-approved flight simulator, but we're also not trying to make it a full video game. We're trying to meet that somewhere in the middle, so that way it could be fun but also realistic. My whole experience at GCU has been great. I got a great group of engineering guys that I'm also friends with. The professors are great too. It's more hands-on, and I'm actually doing some mechanic work here in manufacturing. School can be a lot as an engineer, but I feel like with the things that GCU offers, with the clubs and everything else, it's great.
Here at GCU, students get access to this room immediately, freshman year. They can come in at any time and learn how to use it one-on-one, but a lot of what we get in here is class-based. So we get a ton of different designs. One of the main reasons that this room is so popular is for our capstone students. Those are our seniors who they have their final projects that they're designing, they're creating something brand new. They start with a design and then they work through it step by step.
Capstone is your final engineering project as an engineering student at GCU, and you work on it all year long. Recently, it's been a lot of hands-on classes, especially as a junior or senior, and those have been really rewarding, getting to see how different components interact and building different systems together, as well as the different opportunities that are offered here at GCU, such as the engineering shops. GCU has helped me find my purpose by building like a close-knit and tight-knit community with both my peers and my professors. We've all built a really unique relationship, more of a mentorship, and that's helped me figure out how to be a better engineer as well.
I learned so much that is going to benefit me in my career in the future.
Finding my purpose here at GCU not only comes from all the classes and the friends that I've made here, but all the resources that GCU provides. Although I'm in school most of the time, I'm also getting guidance of where I can go after these classes are over and how to push through life with these skills that I've gained through GCU.